Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Code with Nav. In the continuation of our Java 8 featured series, today we will see what are functional interface, what is functional interface, and how we can use that one to call my lambda expression. So before going into this topic, let me in the previous video we have seen what is the lambda expression, how do we write it, and what is the conclusion we got from that video. Now agenda of this video is what is functional interface and how do we call our lambda expression on top of it. So basically, if an interface contain only one abstract method, such type of interfaces are called functional interfaces, and that the method which is available in the interface is called single abstract method or functional method. What does it mean? This is the theoretical definition. Let me write here so that I can share the documents with you, so you can go through whenever you want to see. If an interface contain only one abstract method, such type interface are called functional interface. And the method is called functional method or single abstract method. So you can think about it that whether we do have already built-in class in Java that is function interface. For example, runnable interface contains run method. This interface contains only one method, that is run method, and the null is a inbuilt interface. Second example, you can say comparable. It contains one method, abstract method, that is compared to. And we do have also action listener interface, action listener, which contains action performed method. So this is the theoretical part we have covered so far, and I'm not someone who's believing the theoretical part a lot, so let's go into the coding part as well. Let's say I do have one interface interf, and it contains only one method, that is m1, public void m1. As we all know that interface contains only the declaration of the method but not the implementation. So if any interface contains only one abstract method, then this interface is called functional interface. Functional interface can contain only one abstract method, and this method is known as functional method, and this interface is known as functional interface. In Java 8, Sun Microsystem introduced functional annotation, functional interface annotation, to specify that the interface is functional interface. We can put this annotation on top of it, then this interface will act as a function interface, and function interface is functional interface can contain only one abstract method. Now let us say if we want to add one more method into it, m2, we have already marked that interface as at the rate function interface, which means this is the function interface. And what is function interface? Function interface can contain only one abstract method. Now what am I trying to do is I have defined two abstract method. Then in this situation, compiler will give compile time error saying that function interface can contain only one abstract method. So this is compile time error, compiler time error. If I will remove this one, then this will compiles fine. So we covered what are the function interface. Function interface cannot contains two abstract method, and so on so forth. Now let's see what we have concluded so far. Let me write the conclusion here. First conclusion is inside functional interface we can take only one abstract method. If we take more than one abstract method, then compiler will raise an error. Also, if I define this interface as, so this, let me write the example as well. So this is m2, this is the conclusion 1 which we have talked. Now let's say I have defined one interface as functional interface by using the annotation at the rate functional interface, but we are not defining anything inside it. Then this is a compile time error. So conclusion 1 is this, and conclusion 2 is inside functional interface we have to define exactly one abstract method. If we are not declaring, then we will get the error. Compiler will give an error. Now we have covered two conclusions so far. Let me take one more case, functional interface with respect to inheritance, multiple inheritance. With respect to multiple inheritance, so let me define, let me copy this. So this is the functional interface which can contain only one abstract method. Now I want to define one more functional interface which is, this is let's say this is interface B and this is interface A. Now interface what we have done so far, we have created one interface that is named as A, and we have marked @function interface annotation on top of it. That means interface A is a functional interface. That means it can contain only one abstract method. Now same way I have done created one more interface B, and I mark that one as a functional interface. Now I'm implements, not basically implements, interface to interface, we are extends. So if we are not defining any method in this interface B, then this is function interface. If we are trying to define one more method, let's say one more, then in the child interface we can define exactly same parent interface abstract method, or we do not. That means either we are defining m1 in interface B, or we do not need to define anything else, otherwise we will get compile time error. So that's it for today's session. We have covered what is function interface. Let me give you a quick summary of it. Functional interface is nothing but an interface which contain only one abstract method. Then that interface can be called functional interface, and the method which is present inside interface is called function interface. So we have gone through the syntax of function interface, we have seen what is the annotation we can use onto it, and we have gone through the conclusion as well. So inside functional interface we have seen if we can take only one abstract class. If we take more than one abstract method, then that means compiler will raise an error. If we define exactly one abstract method, if we are not declaring, then compiler will give an error. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.